If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update today. And right, so Solana, we are trading at 16.54, and it's crazy when you imagine that, you know, Solana went nearly 100% up, okay, from $7. But you know, how many people got it? How many people? Very few people got this. Okay, I tried even to, you know, trade this Solana back in the days when it was at $9. I was actually given a call for $13, and then we went all the way up to even $14, and now you're $16. But what I'm actually interested at is how the weekly is going to come to an end. Now there was a bear flag here that you've actually broken out of, okay, but still we still need a you know, weekly closing. So this was your flag, and it seems like that flag is invalidated. So one can say that Solana is not on a technical target $4.67. Maybe because of that bear flag, you might not be on a technical target anymore. And the second thing is you've actually broken this bearish three bearish strike line, whatever the name is. You've also broken it because this is where the stop loss are meant to be, and Solana is actually looking good once again. Okay, it's actually pretty amazing. I don't think 4.67 is in play, except on the weekly. On the weekly, it's actually in play. On the daily, it's not in play because you have your left shoulder, the head, and a massive right shoulder. And unfortunately, that still prints out something like this. And I don't know if the technical target was met, but let's see. Now, from the top to the bottom, this is where you broke out. And you can see that that head and shoulder still points 4.72 on a weekly standpoint. And I want to see the EMAs as well. Yep, so this EMA, you are back testing the 10 EMA. You have 5 days to close the weekly, and in 5 days, if you try to come down to 13.43, this bear flag is not invalidated. Okay, but even 5 days you close above $17 or $16 like this, your bear flag is terminated. So we need a weekly confirmation, and we have 5 days for that. We are completely overbought right now, and there are good chances that you can start to even fall down again. 5 days. In 5 days, if you come down to 13.55, you have a technical target 4.67. Otherwise, it's going to be a different story, a different scenario. You're going to have a pattern here, and this pattern is something like this, a right angle descending broadening wedge. And by the way, I'm just going to show you that one on Google very quickly, and I'm going to write right angle descending broadening wedge. Yeah, so this is what you have, this one on your right side. Okay, so straight line and a descending line to the downside. So that's what you have, a straight line and a descending line to the downside, and the technical target is going to be from the top to the bottom, and we look for a move to the 20 EMA, which is actually going to be $23.7. So be very careful at this point of time, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.